Here we have a single cab ute with a high drive part canopy. Now for many trades, a part canopy is the best of both worlds. It obviously gives you a canopy with which you can keep your tools and stock secure and out of the rain and out of the dust, but also gives you a tray, surprise, surprise. So what's great for this particular trade is they've obviously needed a crane, and they've also now got space for wheel mounting. Also, they could easily store some fuel and these sorts of things that obviously for compliance and safety reasons need to be stored outside of a canopy. So we've got the crane controller here and the crane. Obviously, there's so much more to this build. Fridge so that they can work out of it all year round. They've got an inverter so that they can charge tools and operate power tools. They've got supplementary lighting. They've really kitted this out really well. They've also got a pan here to store all sorts of parts such as your crane base plates. They've also gone with 15 litre water tank with soap there ready to wash up after a job. So that's, you know, really keen. They've got a step there so they can get access to their roof. As you can see, they've invested with a roof rack. Now, as you can see, they've got the roof bars there with a beacon. So clearly this trades team are intending to use this vehicle on compliance focused sites such as airports, parks and gardens where they need LED beacons and these sorts of things. Supplementary lighting and flasher kits are all fitted to this particular build. Again, because they're working with a land care type business, therefore shovels, brooms, crowbars, these sorts of things, this rear roller drawer was an essential option that they chose for their build. Get this out of the way. You can see that they've gone with a high drive tow bar with folding steps to give them ease of access to anything that they need in the tray area. Moving around to the driver's side now. Again, more of the flasher kits, more supplementary lighting. We've got a wheel mount, high drive wheel mount there. We've also got the one-click drawers, a two-tier on one side and a nice deep one on the driver's side of the bench there. We've also got a three-tier shelving kit, complete with the parts bins, which again can be customised by the operator in line with the size of their spares. So there we have it. Now, a couple of points to note in relation to this specific build. Height clearance will obviously be a concern with this vehicle for things such as underground car parks and these sorts of situations, and therefore they've thought, well, if our height is up to there, therefore we might as well have the highest possible canopy. And so they've gone with our highest canopy, which is a 1 metre high canopy, to maximise secure space for this particular client. So there we have it. This is a high drive part canopy. You can change the length of canopy versus the length of tray, obviously depending on whether you've got a single cab, crew cab or space cab. But also, of course, you might just simply need more secure space and less tray, or more tray and less canopy. So we're happy to discuss those things with you. To discuss that, feel free to book an appointment with a High Drive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be happy to discuss your needs, understand your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come. Thank you.